In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the printhead cleaning of your HP OfficeJet Pro 8135E printer. Now the first step is to switch on the printer and go to the printer control panel. On the control panel, click on the menu. Scroll down and click on Tools. In the Tools, click on the Troubleshooting. Select print quality. You have the option printhead cleaning selected. So there are 3 levels of printhead cleanings. Each level will take a lot more ink. So each of the cleaning will take some ink out of the ink cartridges. So select level 1 first. It's going to take around 1 minute. Now click on the start. Cleaning is successful. Press OK. Let's check the print result. It will display. Now check on this page. If all the lines are not straight and connected, align the print heads with the level 2. If you see thin white lines across any of the colored blocks, for example, I can see that is in the magenta, then click on the clean the print heads. Again, we can do the level 2 and level 3. So this way we can do the cleaning of the print heads so that the print quality improves. Thanks for watching.